Hello homeowners, so this job takes us to Guisborough, just outside of Middlesbrough, and as I can see this engineered oak floor was scratched, had gone grey and looked tired and worn and was ready for a recoat. So the first job was to take off the old coating, so we used the belt sander. This took off the old coating and starts to level the floor. Now as you can see here, there's some low points that need some tricky work to get those out, which is why obviously this customer has hired a professional. So once all of these low points were taken out and the floor was level, we recoated it using a ceramic based matte lacquer, clear matte lacquer, and that brought out the oak in the wood, all of the knots, all of the features, and it looked fantastic. Looked very smooth, nice satin finish, and the customer was absolutely over the moon. So yeah, this job was a nice finish and got a great testimonial from the customer. Just look at that grain and that style, it's like a piece of furniture.